B-Red, you're a wonderful son. It's just that... Well...
Let's not beat around the bush. Brad, honey, your behavior has become an embarrassment to the family. Hey, and I'm afraid I can't have you on the campaign anymore.
What? Oh, that's how it is? Got it now? Y'all just opened up a big can of tough love.